Confirm that all parts have been received. In the configuration for your property, you may have straight runs, L-shaped runs, or U-shaped runs. For each, you will need to cut the rail to the finished length on site. Insert the screw into the brass mounting sleeve. Screw the M4 set screws into the railing post using the provided hex key. To assemble the end cap, mount the screw into the end cap dowel. Then screw on the flat metal end cap and tighten the screw. To lengthen the rails, use the plastic dowel connectors to join rails together. We recommend using a rubber mallet to pound them in so they are tight and secure. If you have an L or U-shaped configuration, you will need to add the optional 90-degree elbow rail. Connect the elbow rail to the straight rail with a plastic dowel connector. Make sure it is a tight and secure fit. To install the unit, screw the brass mounting sleeve into the wood. If multiple rail posts are needed, mount them approximately 36 inches apart. Slide the railing posts onto the rail. And mount them to the brass mounting sleeves. Make sure the M4 set screws are facing down. Tighten the railing posts with the hex key. When all rails are mounted, insert the decorative end caps where needed, and pound them in with a rubber mallet. Place the S-hooks on the rail.